He's angry, isn't he?
Meant to go in yet?
Alright, now what we could.
Good. Bye, kids.
Second attempt to try and walk up banana in the water.
I'm alive.
Right.
That one's turn. You need to get that, what's it? The big ring and jump through it onto that like we did last time.
Oh, don't then.
Let the lone have a go on that one.
No, you don't move it. No. He jumped it.
You jumped on it.
I'm gonna get.
She slipped through it.
What it's got to do is jump through the hoop and run.
Welcome to the Friksos Dog Show. Come on, Paige, jump through the hoop like a dog.
Lauren! Me turn. No, you're last, don't forget.
That one's turn.
You better hold it. Don't worry, we won't.
We'll let this come here.
No, you better not take it with you this time.
Really want to do it. You better take it with you.
Cheater. Johnny's turn. Are you going to hold the hoop then so John can jump through?
Yeah. If that's a you or a mine. I don't want to get over. Right, bring it up here. Don't hold it. That's I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Hold on. Hold it together.
Hold on, banana.
Come on now. Through the donut.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, smash.
No, John, it wasn't meant to be like that. I'm eating a codfish. Or maybe a fish, but it's not good fish. Right. I was meant to stand on it, but I couldn't. You have to, John.
No, I want to.
I'll lift me up on it again.
Yeah, okay.
What, don't tip me. Every little thing. Let me give you some out.
Ready? Wait! I can't do it now.
No.
Try this bit.